Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and for today I will be showing you guys some of my film cameras, and I will also be showing you guys photographs that I took using this film camera. So I am no film expert, but I just want to share with you all these cameras that I have. So for the first one, so I think this is the most popular among film starters, film beginners. So this one is the Harman camera, as you can see here. So it's a very small and compact camera, and as you can see here, it's made out of plastic, as in pure plastic siya, and it's very light. So if you're gonna expect something na parang may weight with this camera, no. So it's just like a toy camera, but I can attest that it was able to produce good images na pwede na. So I will be flashing the photographs here. As you can see, very deep in contrast, and it was able to focus subjects pretty well. So very small yung aperture niya, meaning it can cover lots of subjects or sceneries. So it uses a AAA battery, so which will be placed here. And as you can see here, here's the winder. So iwind mo lang every after shot, then pindot. Ayan. So pwede ko on yung flash here for the flash. Then, so I'm quite happy with my shots using the Harman Reusable Camera, which is why I also recommend this to those who are not that invested yet with film photography. So you can try this. It's priced I think at 1,900 pesos in online stores. So you can get that. So there. So that's Harman camera. To add lang with this Harman Reusable Camera, it has two free Kentmere 400 film rolls when you buy the set that you can find online. And just an observation that when you try to use this camera, make sure to point it closer to the subject, because when you're quite far from your subject, it tends to have a very soft focus. But yeah, so I think actually kahit in close-up, medyo soft focus siya, pero it was still able to give me enough sharpness that I like for my image. At yung flash niya, I'm quite surprised that it was able to produce enough light to fill in the shadows for my picture. Actually, kagulat-gulat siya talaga, because when you touch this now, when you have this, super light. And kapag kinlik mo, parang very hindi ka sure kung kumagat ba. Basta when you click it, it feels different compared with the other film cameras. So I'm quite doubtful at first, but yeah, it does its job. So yeah, I can recommend this camera. Here are the photographs that I took using the Harman camera. For the second camera, I have here this Ricoh Auto Half SE. It's quite vintage, as you can see here. And the entire build of this camera is metal, purely metal. So para siyang lunchbox, yung classic lunchbox na nakita nyo. Actually, love at first sight ako when I went to our film supplier, si Doc Jackson. Parang, when he showed me this, parang okay. Gusto ko na siya kagad nung binenta niya sa amin. Actually, hindi niya binibenta pa, pero ayun, nabili ko. I'm quite happy with this film camera, and it's a half-frame camera pala. So half-frame meaning in every frame ng shot nyo, so usually we have 36 shots, diba? So hinahati niya yung isang buong shot na yun into two. So instead of 36, you get around 72 shots for the entire roll. Kasi half frame nga. And yeah, this one is aperture priority. So you just have to set the aperture, then the camera gives you the right shutter speed based on the aperture that is set. So may control ka din with the ISO here and the 400 ISO. So it starts at 25 ISO. Kasi yun. Then on the bottom part, actually purely mechanical siya. Ang daming buttons here. So on the bottom part naman, you can see here the wind buttons. You just have to open here on the side. Then add the film roll. As you can see here, nasa right side siya instead of the left side. Na usually sa left side. Once you put it, and close it, sa ilalim niya, nandun yung winder. So you have to rewind the whole film, as in the buong film. Then, ayun, then you can start shooting. Then every shoot, hindi siya yung automatic na mag-wind. You have to rewind it again until mag-stop. Then press again, then wind it again, then press it again. So, medyo matrabaho siya. And actually, before, first time ko ginamit, very doubtful din ako paano kalalabasin ito, kung na-wind ko ba ng tama, and film roll. But yeah, super happy ako with the results that I got here. So it highlighted the colors of the film rolls that I used at that time. So now, I will be flashing here my photographs taken using the Ricoh Auto Half SE. Last camera that I will be highlighting today is my Fuji Auto-8 QD. So it's my first point and shoot na legit. Like it has a good body and it has a flash, as you can see here. And yeah, I'm really happy with the results that I got here. And I've used this lots of times already and it never failed me except for the light leak that it has on the right side of the camera. So I'll have it fixed really soon para magamit ko with another POV video using this camera. So super ganda ng build and it uses 2 AA batteries. So yun pala, yung pro tip ko is that if you're looking for point and shoot film cameras, make sure to purchase cameras that have AA batteries kasi yun yung readily available, yung madaling mabili anywhere. Kasi there are batteries ng mga point and shoot cameras that are hard to find and quite expensive compared to AA batteries. So yun yung naging deciding factor ko din in getting this film camera, which I just saw online on Instagram. And you can message me if you want to know the store. So yun. So never naman nag-fail in terms of focusing, tama. And yung flash niya, it gave me lots of light, like super nice, like parang off-cam flash na siya. So ayun, super happy with this purchase. And yeah. For this Fuji Auto-8 QD, you can also set the date behind it. So I have images that have dates when I took them. But since I want my shots to be clean lang, I just remove the date. Pwede naman yun. So yeah. Yun yung isang feature ng Auto-8 QD. That's just why it's called QD, quartz date. So yeah. So ayun, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I hope you get to pick your own film cameras soon. So I hope I gave you tips if you're planning to purchase Harman camera, or this Ricoh Auto Half SE, or even this Fuji Auto-8 QD. So yeah, I'll promise to give you guys POV videos using these film cameras really soon. But for now, thank you. And ayun, so thank you guys for watching this video. And I just want to thank you all for always liking my videos and commenting and sharing it. So for this video, if you liked it, just click the like button down below. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, just click the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified whenever I upload new posts, just click the bell button beside the subscribe button. And share this video if you like film that much, or if you like my works or this video. So thank you guys and have a great day, night.